In this video, you'll discover 8 incredible AI tools that no one is talking about yet. You'll learn how to use them to earn more money, work more efficiently, and unleash your creativity. The best part? They completely blow ChatGPT out of the water. Also, the best is saved for last, so don't go anywhere. Let's dive in. Rewind AI. If you're a fan of Black Mirror or other futuristic films, you'll love this one. Have you ever had a vague memory of something important you saw online but just can't seem to remember where? Rewind AI acts like a virtual memory capsule, retaining everything you've seen, heard, and said on your computer and organizing it into accessible timelines. Literally everything. The number of ways you can apply this software to your life is endless. For one, never worry about keeping notes or saving tabs while researching again. If you're trying to recall where you saw something, simply type the remembered keyword into Rewind AI, and it will show you every instance the keyword was seen or entered on your computer. This is game-changing for students and researchers. Beyond that, Rewind AI is useful for everyday tasks, like remembering who mentioned an upcoming birthday, or where you saw a video or heard some news. Rewind AI has got your back. Up next is an amazing tool for boosting productivity through organization. But before that, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Performance AI to always get the most out of your tech. Now, introducing Compose AI, your personal AI virtual assistant for all your writing needs, including emails. What sets Compose AI apart is its ability to learn and mimic your writing style. When you receive an email, Compose AI will read it and suggest reply options. You can also leave a note with specific instructions. Compose AI takes your prompts and crafts a detailed reply, imitating your writing style. We can already hear the 9-to-5ers sighing with relief. No more having to spend time overthinking your reply to redundant emails. With a single click, Compose AI will handle that for you, so you can focus on other work. This tool is also incredibly useful for business owners that use email marketing. You can use it to automate your customer service responses and make your business more efficient. If you're into content creation, e-commerce, or marketing, you'll love us for introducing you to this next tool. Viral Views is an AI tool that gives you information about every trend on the internet. You can search for the hottest topics in your niche and any subcategories with incredible ease. There are so many ways you can use Viral Views to make yourself more productive and earn more money. If you're into content creation, whether it's YouTube, other social media posts, or blogs, Viral Views needs to be your best friend. To get more traffic on your content, use it to find out what your audience really wants to see. You can also use it to sell products based on current trends and make a fortune off of e-commerce. If you see fitness is trending, you can quickly set up a store for retail fitness products. Viral Views revolutionizes your research so that you can easily make informed decisions. Browse AI. This is one of the most powerful AI tools available, and it has the potential to change your life. Browse AI allows you to create robots that can grab data from anywhere on the internet. All you do is install the extension in your browser and go to the website you want to extract from. Once you set up the robot, it records any data you want and saves it in a document or spreadsheet. You can do this with websites, social media pages, and streaming platforms. It's incredibly useful if you want to monitor your business or your competitors. For example, if you want to monitor your competitors' prices or new products, Browse AI can track that data for you. You can also use it to compile business leads in your niche from various sources at once. Using that data for email marketing can massively grow your business. It can also be a great tool for cryptocurrency geeks. You can set up a robot to monitor websites like CoinMarketCap to track the prices of assets. That way, you don't have to be on the website all the time. If you're a student, professional, or an entrepreneur that makes pitches, you may want to pay attention to this one. Tome is an incredible piece of AI software that can generate an entire presentation out of nothing. Well, not exactly nothing. All you have to do is type in the topic and it will make a full PowerPoint presentation for you. These presentations will be completely unique, with headers, images, text, and a consistent structure. Tome combines the technologies of ChatGPT and DALL-E to make incredible presentations. Its creators called it a storytelling device, and we couldn't agree more. Even if you don't like exactly what it produces, you can edit it and get your work done much faster. You can also use the structure for your own presentation, pitch, or article. Say goodbye to dreading school presentations or business meetings. Even if Tome doesn't give you exactly what you want, you'll definitely get some great ideas. It's the perfect cure for writer's block. This next tool might be a bit scary, but the possibilities are even more exciting. Descript is a voice and video editing tool that could just be the best thing you've ever heard about. It has many amazing editing tools, but the truly mind-blowing one is its overdub tool. Overdub allows you to clone your voice in a manner that is so realistic, it's scary. To get started, you need to install the Descript app on your computer. Then upload a recording of your voice to the app. Descript will automatically transcribe the recording into a text box and allow you to edit the text. Descript will automatically update any changes you make to the text in the video. If you dislike a sentence or word, you can easily remove it. If you remember something important, you can add it to the text and Descript will edit it into the audio. The best part? You can add things you've never said before, and it will say them in your voice. This means that you can create podcasts and voiceovers just by uploading text to Descript. You only have to record a few seconds of your voice to build the channel. The next tool is Runway ML. Runway ML is actually more like a collection of tools than a single one. You can do so many things with it, like generate portraits, animal images, and custom images for free. You could even use it to start your own social media page and become an influencer. But by far the most impressive feature of Runway ML is the inpainting feature. Inpainting is an incredibly advanced AI tool that allows you to remove unwanted objects from your pictures. Runway ML's inpainting does it so well you'd never guess the picture has been altered. It's time to go back to that picture you loved but couldn't post because someone or something snuck into it. No more wasting Instagram-worthy pictures because of an unfortunate photobomb. If you're a photographer, this could save you countless hours and change your life. Notice that you left something in the background by accident which made your photo look distorted? No worries. Just color over it with the inpainter and it's gone. For obvious reasons, this is also a dream come true for content creators who use images in their work. You can say we saved the best for last because this AI tool is simply revolutionary. You may have heard of AI tools that allow you to create virtual avatars, but Be Human takes it a step further. It's an AI tool that allows you to create personalized sales videos using actual humans. Crazy, right? With Be Human, you can either use a recorded video of yourself or choose from a template. Then the AI tool can change some details in the video, like the customer's name, so you can use it repeatedly. For example, you can pick a template video where the character is asking why a client hasn't completed an order. Then you can enter the names of all the clients you want to send the video to. Be Human will automatically change names so it seems like you made a video for each client. We know we would be impressed if we got a video asking us why we didn't complete our order. You can apply this tactic to different parts of your business for that extra boost. There you have it. You've just discovered 8 of the most innovative AI tools flying under the radar. The question is, which one will you use first? Rewind AI or Be Human? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to Performance AI so you can always get the most out of your tech. And for a little added excitement, click that video on the screen now to see what YouTube's AI thinks you should watch next. See you next time.